In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a retargeting campaign for your medical spa to drive more clients in your business. Let's make this year an amazing year to drive revenue. If you don't know me, my name is Jaquila. I'm a medspa owner and a digital marketing expert. So I'm going to jump right into the video and I'm going to just walk you through how I create some of these campaigns. The first thing you want to do, you want to make sure you have something called segmentation dialed in. Now, that's another video that I could create later. Segmentation in a nutshell is basically dividing your customers based on behavior and or interest. So I've already got my Facebook ads pulled up and I am running a sales campaign. Now, the sales campaign is going to be tested against cold audiences and warm audiences. So in this video, we're going to talk about warm audiences. But anyway, so I already got my objective up. If you can see that it's my campaign, I always use the word test and then I'll say top of funnel. So my objective, my campaign details, basically what this means is what action do I want them to take, okay? And then I turn off Advantage campaign budget. I like to have my budget at the ad set level, okay? So now I'm going to go back to my ad set name and I just named it retargeting / not book. I want the conversion, basically the action to happen on the website. And I have my pixel, which is my tracking. I already have that set up. And my conversion event, I want people to book consults. I want them to be sent right to the page and book a consult and pay for it. I've already ran a leads campaign, but now I want these people to actually take more action. So my daily budget, I'm going to just put it at $20 for now for my testing, and I'm going to start the campaign immediately. So this is where the retargeting happens. It's in the audience section of the ad set level. Now, I've been running two different type of campaigns. I've been running campaigns to landing pages, and I've also been running campaigns to something called lead forms. I want to retarget people who have never booked but submitted a form. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to create new, custom audiences, and then the lead form and select next. So now we'll go to events and then go to who opened and submitted the form. Want to make sure we're on the correct page, Dr. Diva Aesthetics, which is my business. And we want to make sure we have the correct form. So this is the form eye transformation because this is the eye campaign. So I'm actually going to head over to DVR just to double check my lead form. I do not have my lead forms going directly to active campaign because I have multiple actions going on. So I'm going to go to Facebook eye lead form and I'm going to just click on this eye transformation. So I validated that. So let's go back to Ads Manager. So that is the correct form. In audience, I'm going to max it out to 90 days. I'm not going to exclude anyone, but I will name the custom audience. So I'll say eye transformation submission, not booked. And I'm going to create that audience. I can also create a lookalike audience, which is technically cold audiences, but I won't do that here. Now, one other thing we're going to do, we're going to upload a list here as well, because we want to capture everyone who's ever taken any action from this eye transformation campaign. So segmentation, again, is very important. So I use something called active campaign, and I had over 2,000 plus leads who came through this pipeline. So I want to capture all of them just in case they came in before the 90 days. So I'm going to say eye transformation leads, and I'm going to segment them by tag. So I'm going to say tag exists. And then we have eye, dark circles, and that's our interest. And then we're going to add another tag. We're going to select or, and we're going to select eye information. These are people who we sent information to regarding eye treatments, if they called the business and things like that. Now, when people come into our pipeline, whether that's a Facebook form and or a landing page, and depending on the offer, we segment them and we add tags. What are they interested in? So we send them that exact information. So it could be a PDF, it could be a video, it could be more case studies, testimonials. So because we have all these leads, over 2,100 leads that came in over X amount of time, we segment them. Sometimes when people actually call our business, they may ask for eye information. So we do have PDF